Hello, my name is Mandy and I'm with the Lexington County Public Library System. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our mobile printing service. I will be demonstrating this on an Amazon Fire tablet, but it should be similar on any Android device. To begin, you'll need to find your device's web browser. On the Amazon Fire, this is the Silk browser, the icon that has internet on it. Use whatever app you use to access the internet. Once in the browser, you'll type in www.lexcolibrary.com. Once the library webpage loads, we're going to scroll to the bottom of the screen where there will be a teal box with a few icons. We are going to click on the Internet and Printing icon. On this page, we will scroll down until we reach the listing of the branches in the Lexington County Library System. I'm going to select the Gaston branch because that is where I want to pick up my prints. Be sure to select the branch where you would like to pick up your prints. On this page, we are going to upload our file. In the first box, you have the option to select black and white or color. The default will be black and white. If you would like your prints in color, simply click the color button. But for this document, I want it in black and white, so we're going to go back to black and white. In the second box, you will type in your email address. In the third box is where we're going to actually upload the file. We're going to click on Browse. There's the option to take a photo or to take a video recording, but we want to upload a file. So we're clicking on Files. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your options for where to select your file. Most likely, it will be already on your device, so you can click on your device's name. The document I'm wanting to print is a Word file, so it will most likely be found in the Documents folder. If it's something you downloaded from your email, you can click on the Download folder. The document I need is the first Word file in the folder. You can now see the name of the file in the Select Document box. From here, you'll click the green button. The document is being uploaded. Once it says that it has been processed, you can contact your branch to make sure it is there and ask if they're open so that you can go in to pick it up or set up an appointment for curbside pickup. If you have more documents you would like to print, you can click on the back arrow. Now I'm going to upload a photo, and I want this photo to be in color. Once again, you'll just enter your email address. Click on Browse. It's a photo already taken, so I'm going to click Files again. And it took me back to my last location, so I'm going to click these three bars to pick a different location. Since it's an image, I'll click on Images. And it was an attachment, so I'm going to click on Attachments. And there's my image, and I'll just click on it. And once again, I can see the file name in the box. And I'll click the green button. Once the text turns green, I know that I can head to my library branch to pick up my prints. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial on how to use mobile printing.